This is a very small selfie drone. It can even be charged by a power bank. It weighs only 199 grams, 0.4 millimeters thick. Also reduced the core board by 90%. Small means this is a selfie drone that can be put into your pocket. You only need 5 minutes and you can become a drone expert. When it takes off on your palm, it's Dobie. And you can do this, and you can do that. Voice manipulated. Tap to take off. Wow! Also toss it to fly. It is very small, but it resists the... So, those photos are synchronized to your cell phone photo album in real time. One key to share to your favorite social media. The power of regular drones and the power of Dobie to go beyond them. Well, it is small, but not too small to carry gifts, to bring surprises to loved ones. Dobie, this is the future in your hands.